I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you one interesting question on complex numbers. Find the coefficients of t and h if 2 minus I times t plus hi equals to 8 plus 6i. The strategy here is expand the left side and then compare each part, the real part with the real part and the imaginary part with the imaginary part. So let's start with the left side, right, and expand 2 minus I times t plus hi. What do we get? 2 times t plus 2 times hi minus ti minus h times I square. Now I square is minus 1, so let's rearrange. First we can combine these I terms. We get 2h minus t with I as common, and here we can write I square as minus 1. Now we have real parts, which is combination of these two. Let's bring them together, which is 2t plus h, and the imaginary part for us is 2h minus ti, correct? Now if you see the standard form of the complex numbers given, 8 plus 6i. Now this is equal to the right side. So right side is given to us as 8 plus 6i. So we can equate the real parts, which is, let me highlight here. The real parts are 2t plus h, which should be equal to 8, correct? And then we also have the imaginary parts, which is 2h minus t, which should be equals to 6. That gives us two different equations to solve. So let me write down these equations clearly. So we have 2t plus h should be equal to 8, and 2h minus t should be equal to 6. Now we have two equations and two variables. We can always solve them and find both h and t values, correct? Now you can adopt method of substitution or elimination. I'll prefer elimination. So what I will do here is I will times the second equation by 2. Then we'll have same coefficients for t with a negative sign. Adding them will eliminate it, right? So let's do that. So we get 4h minus 2t equals to 12. So let that be equation 3 for us. Now if I add equation 1 and 3, that means I'm adding equation 1 and 3. What do I get? Let's do it on the, we can write it here also. Or let's do it on the right side. So let's add them up and write down. So 2t minus 2t is 0. h plus 4h is 5h. So you get 5h equals to 8 plus 12, which is 20, right? So let me write here for convenience 8 plus 12 when you add them up, and here you get 2t plus h plus 4h minus 2t, correct? So 2t minus 2t is 0, h plus 4h is 5h. Now you can divide both sides by 5. You get 20 divided by 5, h is 4, correct? You can substitute h as 4 in any one of your equations and find the value of t. Let me call this as equation 4 for us, and let us substitute 4 in equation 1. In that case, h equals to 4 in equation 1. I get 2t plus 4 equals to 8. Solve for t. So 2t equals to 8 minus 4, which is indeed 4. So t is equals to 4 over 2. Simplify it, so we get t. So therefore our answer is t equals to 2 and h equals to 4. I hope with these steps the process is absolutely clear to you how to solve. Thank you and all the best.